Dear friends, now I am going to tell about how to create your markup page using this website Pidoco. So what's the purpose of creating markup page is to show how your mini projects web page is going to look like. So here I'm going to use this website to create the markup page. So already I have a website already I have created a markup page which look like this. So you can see here how this page is looking like. It's like a login page. So I will show you how this can be created using this website. That's your markup page. So first what you have to do is you have to go to this website and you have to register yourself in this, and once you register you can log in here, and by giving your email ID and the password, so you can log in here. So already I have registered, so I have my page too here. So my page is here. So I'm going to show you now how to create. So already I have created 2 pages. This is one of my login page. It's very easy. So I'm going to create a fresh markup page for you to show how you can do it. So the remaining you can explore it. So here if you see in the left side, you can see all the tools what are available to design your web page markup. Just a markup. So what you're going to do, this markup is going to give you a preview that how you're going to create your website. So let me create first a header, then I'm going to create a next section, and I'm going to have 4 sections over here. So here we can create a stencil. So once you create a stencil, it can be reused so many times. Here you can upload an image, you can use icons, all these things. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a header over here. So for that I'm going to create an image. So if you want to create an image, you can just drag and drop here where you want to place an image, and once you click this button it will show you the option to select the image. So I'm going to click it. So here I have already selected so many images. If you want, you can browse, and if you browse here it will help you to choose some of the image which was already available in your laptop. So here I have some list of image, out of which I am going to choose one. So let me choose this image. It's up here. If you want to change the width and height, you can change here. Otherwise you can just resize it here also. So I'm going to make the header. So let me zoom out so that I can clearly see the page width and height clearly. So this is what my web page markup is. So I'm going to extend this header till the end of this, and okay, now it's ready. Now the header is ready. Now I'm going to put some text over this header. So to put a text, I'm going to drag it and drop this text. Now you can type. I'll type welcome to web technology. Here you can increase the size of it. You can increase the size. You can color it. If you want to give the background color, you can give it. You can make it bold. Whatever style you want, you can give it. So if you want to still more increase, you can increase it. Once you're done, you can just drag also here and there so that you can properly fit it wherever you want. It's very easy. So now it's ready. Now I'm going to make the next layer. The next layer also I'm going to put an image. So here I have the image. So I'll just drag it and drop. And if you want to choose the image, you can just click it. It will give you the option to select image. So out of which you can select it. So let me select this. So if you want to give the width and size, you can give, otherwise just leave it. come here and then you can resize it based upon your need, right? So here you can also put, so already you know some of how to make images to overlap one image over the, however you want to design your page you can design it. So let me put some more image over here to make it more look more better. So let me use some of the image I have already. I can see the image is very big, so I can resize the image easily. Here itself I can set the width and height, so that if you see the image is already has reduced its size, you can also still more reduce, and you can make another image to come here. So for that also you can select the image. So this image is also too big, so I'll reduce the size of the image. So now it's ready. Now I can fit it based upon my need. Okay, one more thing, you have so many options over here. See, this image is behind this image is behind this image. If you want to bring it front, you have option move to back or move to front. So let me bring it front so that you'll know. So now you can see this image came in front of this image. One more thing, okay, now if you want to make a copy of the whole thing, you can just select all and you can click here. So it is giving the option clone element. You can either do it, otherwise see once you clone it is giving the same thing again. You can place it wherever you want. Otherwise you can also do one thing separately. You can copy and paste also. If you copy it and you can also paste one more time, you can also do that. So now I'll bring this image to the front. So this will help me to bring the image front. So now you can see this image came front. So now it's okay. I'll just move it up and this too. So you can easily make your markup page. That gives you an idea that how your web page is going to look like. Now it's ready. Let me put some more image. See, once I start including the image, all the images will be coming here. You can also just drag and drop from here also. So let me put some image here which I have already chosen. So I can position it wherever you want very easily, and I'm going to keep some more image. So I'll put this too, and also I have some more image. So if you want to increase the size, you can do it. So whatever may be your desire, you can make it, so that helps you really when you start designing your original web page. So that's make your job easier. So now the next layer is also ready. Let me put one footer. So that also I'm going to drag and drop my next image. So I'll resize it accordingly. So now my footer is also ready, very simple. If I want to type some text over that, so I have a text box already available. So I'll just put wherever I want and I'll type I can do all things through Christ. So if you want to increase the size also, you can do it. If you want to change the text color, you can do it. If you want to make it bold, you can do it. So instead you click outside so that you can drag and drop wherever you want. Now it's ready. So I want to make it as a login page. So as I told you earlier, you have all the thing already available. So I have a text box. You can keep the text box over here, and nearby I want some text also. So I'll just drag and drop this text here. So I'll enter your name. So now it's ready. If you want to increase the size too, you can do it. I'll increase the size. It's ready. If you want to increase this also, you can do it. I'll put one more text box to get the password. So that's give me an idea that what are the way I'm going to design my original web page. So here it's ready. Now I'm going to make one more text box. So I'll just drag and drop everything, whatever you want to do. So I'll enter your password. Now select it and increase the size as much you want. So now it's ready. If you want to put color, whatever you want to do, you can do it also. You can resize, you can put in different place, you can arrange it properly. If you want to put some button, you also have the option for that. You can just drag and drop here and you can type whatever you want, login. That's the first button, and you can also have different button. You can put it here and you can type cancel. So my mockup login page is ready. So this will give me a clear idea when I originally designed my web page. See, here was one more thing I'll tell you is, so you can see the preview over there by clicking the button. So this is the page. I got the preview, so it's look like how my page is going to look like, right? And you can also create stencils. So if you just drag and drop some of the places wherever you want to make it as a stencil. So here it will ask the different option, whatever you want to do here, all these things. So it is asking convert element to custom stencil. So you click it, so it will become your stencil. So you can see whatever, see, this is my stencil. So here you can see the stencil which I have already made also appear here. So once later, if you want again, you can just drag and drop here, it will appear. So you don't want to rebuild again anything. So these are the already available thing. So once if you make the stencil, you can ready to use. You don't want to redesign anything. That's the purpose of the stencil. Okay, so let's see the pages which we created. So these are the third page I have created. You can go there and see your web page. So like this, you can design any number of web pages for your website. That's your mockup page. So when you really start working on your website, it will help you a lot, right? Okay, thank you.